Good morning everyone and welcome to your Friday spelling test. Most of you won't recognise my voice. My name is Miss Gordon and I've been able to meet a few of the P6s this week and I'm hoping to meet the rest of you all when you get back to school. Okay, so I'm just going to get started into your spellings. So number 1 is small. This dog is very small. Spelling number 2 is brave. This person is very brave for walking across this tightrope. Number 3 is piece. Here is a piece of cake. Number 4 is tall. This building is very, very tall. Number 5 is fine. This policeman is giving out a parking fine. Number 6 is the word peace, and somewhere where there's no war or conflict could be said to be at peace. Number 7 is January. Last month was January. Number 8 is primary. You all are in primary 6. Number 9 is ordinary. Something that is quite normal could be called ordinary. Number 10 is February. Today is the 12th of February. Number 11 is library. You have to be very quiet in the library. Number 12 is necessary. It is necessary that you do your spelling test. Number 13 is temporary. Something that only lasts a short period of time could be called temporary. Number 14 is extraordinary. This view could be described as extraordinary. Number 15 is secretary. Someone who works in an office might be called a secretary. Number 16 is anniversary. Your birthdays are anniversaries to celebrate the day you were born. Anniversary. Number 17 is stationary. Something that is stationary is not moving, so this car could be described as stationary. Number 18 is vocabulary. All the words that we know are known as our vocabulary. Number 19 is solitary. Something that is alone or isolated could be described as solitary. This tree is an example. And the last spelling today, number 20, is voluntary. If you volunteer to do something, that would be voluntary. Okay everyone, that's your spelling test done for today. Well done, and I'll hopefully get to speak to you all again soon. Bye.